best indoor plants for the bedroom. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a few types of indoor plants that are especially great for your bedroom. Not only are these plants beautiful, but they can also improve the air quality in your room and even help you sleep better. So, if you're looking to create a peaceful and fresh atmosphere in your bedroom, stick with us until the end of the video. If you struggle to sleep peacefully and deeply at night and feel tired and sluggish during the day because of it, we recommend keeping bedroom-friendly plants. One of the reasons for insomnia and lack of focus during the day is low oxygen levels and poor air quality in the room. By using air-purifying plants or plants that release oxygen at night, you can improve your sleep quality. Join us in this video as we introduce you to sleep-enhancing plants perfect for your bedroom. Bedroom-friendly plants. Gardenia. Gardenia is perfect for the bedroom, with its glossy evergreen leaves and beautiful, fragrant flowers. Studies have shown that keeping a gardenia plant can improve sleep quality. It's even said that its calming and sleep-inducing effects are comparable to Valium in reducing stress. However, gardenias require a lot of attention to maintain their stunning leaves and blooms. It's best to keep the plant in a bright area with indirect sunlight. Spider plant. One of the most powerful air-purifying plants is the spider plant. According to research, the spider plant can eliminate around 90% of the carcinogenic formaldehyde microbes. Additionally, it absorbs fragrance particles and vapors to stabilize oxygen levels, providing the necessary oxygen for a restful sleep. Indirect light and watering 2 to 3 times a week are recommended for this plant. Harvesting in warm weather also benefits it. With its flowing leaves, this beautiful plant enhances the aesthetic of any space, whether placed on a table or suspended in a kokedama. English ivy. English ivy is one of the best air-purifying and oxygen-releasing plants, capable of removing all room pollutants within 12 hours. Additionally, it helps alleviate asthma and allergy symptoms, improving sleep quality. This beautiful plant features evergreen or variegated leaves. It thrives in moderate to bright light, good air circulation, and high humidity. However, English ivy is toxic to children and pets, so it should be kept out of their reach. Jasmine. Jasmine is one of the most fragrant flowers, which has made it widely popular. This beautiful climbing plant can find its way with just a string, adding beauty to your home. The effects of jasmine on both physical and mental relaxation are significant. Its pleasant scent reduces stress and promotes a restful sleep. It's best to place jasmine near a window, and during warm weather, mist it lightly, making sure not to wet the flowers. Lavender. Lavender, with its beautiful purple flowers, brings a peaceful sleep. Its pleasant scent can soothe anxiety, depression, stress, insomnia, restlessness, and headaches, making it an excellent choice for a child's room, especially if they are restless. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, comes in various types, with the sword-like variety being the most famous. It is one of the top air-purifying plants, and unlike most plants, produces oxygen at night. You can also remove toxins from your home's air through the snake plant, allowing you to breathe clean, filtered air. Bright, indirect light is the best option for it. Additionally, it only needs water when the soil is dry. This resilient plant can live for decades under the right conditions. Aloe Vera. This versatile plant not only purifies the air but also produces oxygen, helping you sleep better. Its gel is highly beneficial for the skin, and the edible form can be used to treat various ailments. Aloe vera is easy to care for and doesn't require frequent watering. Just provide it with long periods of direct sunlight, and it will thrive. Peace lily. This beautiful plant filters out chemical pollutants like benzene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde. The moisture produced by peace lily's flowers increases air humidity by about 5%, which helps eliminate microbes that cause allergies. This humidity also helps relieve dryness in the nose and throat during the night. Keep in mind that peace lily is toxic to children and pets, so it's best to keep it out of their reach. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is an excellent plant for purifying the air. It removes toxins from the air, helping to provide you with a restful sleep. Its stems can grow quite tall, turning your home into a beautiful indoor jungle. Bamboo palm loves bright indoor light and consistent humidity, especially in spring and summer. Be cautious not to overwater it, as too much water can harm the plant. Gerbera daisies. Gerbera daisies are beautiful and colorful flowers, often used in bouquets or as gifts. This stunning flower can produce oxygen at night, making it easier to breathe while you sleep. Due to its oxygen-producing ability, Gerbera is one of the best plants for children's rooms. However, it requires careful attention to watering and light levels to thrive. Pothos. Pothos is probably the easiest plant to grow in an apartment. It has glossy, heart-shaped leaves and long, trailing stems that can grow several meters. This beautiful plant prefers medium to bright light, making it a great choice for indoor spaces. Chinese evergreen Aglaonema. Aglaonema, or Chinese evergreen, is one of the easiest houseplants to care for because it requires very little light. It thrives in darker areas of the home where other plants may not grow well. Its best feature is its ability to remove a significant amount of toxins in a short period. Boston fern. The Boston fern is an air-purifying houseplant that can grow in low light, though it prefers indirect sunlight. With its sword-like fronds, the fern is capable of removing formaldehyde from the air. It thrives in high humidity, so it's best to keep it on a humidity tray to maintain its moisture and keep the leaves healthy. Boston fern also adds moisture to the air, helping to eliminate dry air that can be harmful to the skin. Chrysanthemum. The beautiful chrysanthemum, available in a variety of colors, makes a perfect gift for any occasion. Keeping it in the bedroom can purify the air and remove pollutants due to its oxygen production at night. This plant requires sunlight and is prone to fungal infections, so careful attention to watering and care is essential. Dieffenbachia. Despite being toxic to humans and animals only if the leaves are touched or chewed, Dieffenbachia is an excellent plant for purifying the air and eliminating pollutants. It is very easy to care for, requiring only filtered light and moderate humidity. In addition to the bedroom, Dieffenbachia is also suitable for keeping in the bathroom and restroom, as the humidity in these areas is ideal for its growth. These plants we've introduced not only make your bedroom more beautiful, but also help purify the air and improve sleep quality. Be sure to add one of these plants to your bedroom and enjoy the benefits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until the next one, goodbye.